Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. This is Bala here and again welcome to another new video. So based on the candlesticks pattern, how we are going to make a profit or how we done a trade on that particular stock of PFC that I am going to discuss in this video. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update intraday and positional trading strategies. So let's talk about this PFC. This is the candlesticks pattern where we are finding out on daily basis. That is what inside out candlesticks pattern on daily, right? So this candlestick shows as a bullish pattern where it is forms the least of this. So if you are checking that from this month, so it is a low and this is what the lowest level where we are focusing using candlesticks pattern. We are forming the lowest level. So whenever any pattern which forms at the lowest level of the day, lowest level of the month, so we are going to plan a trade. So likewise, this stock which I find based on this inside out candlesticks pattern, where that pays me such a great profit on intraday as well as positional. But we done 2 days positional, so make such a good profit that I am going to discuss with you. So the first trade, whenever it breaks the high, so we are going to take a bullish kind of trade. So when it is broken, that is what 132.85. So the risk for the trade is 125, almost 7 rupees risk for the trade. That is why we are doing with options. So 2 days back, I did with the option around 7 rupees, that is same option, and immediately it moves towards 8 rupees. We exited, that is around 6,200 rupees. We made profit based on that candlesticks pattern. So that giving you such a great profit while I'm making the trade on intraday itself and even positional. If I hold it out, the same position which is today it is trading around 9.65. So where I was taken the position by based on that candlestick is around 7 rupees on last Thursday, and I was exited by 8. So I got profit around 6,200 because the lot size of this stock is 6,200. And the same stock which gives me a entry opportunity, again I was trying to take that by positional at 7.4. But positional trade, I should keep the stop losses little bit higher, and also investment for the trade is required is little bit higher than intraday trade. So intraday also we have started, but we are given some less risky call on our intraday. But if you are going for a positional trade, it is taking a much risk. But here again the same pattern, based on the same pattern, today the stock is started well. The opening itself it started well. I was trying to find an opportunity again somewhere around 7.4, and I was booking by 9.4. So that is around 12,400 it generated me. And the same system which another client who followed, again she is also booking around 12.4 and 12,400, almost 24,000 plus 900. We based on this candlesticks pattern, we booked around more than 35,000 in 2 sessions. Because why we have closed on our last session? Because of 3 consecutive holidays. So that is why we closed the position. Again we have taken the same position today around 7.4. that was giving you such a great opportunity where I was making such a great profit based on this candlesticks pattern. And again where I check that, so previously this is the low up to this month, the 1st September to here, and this is the least low, and it is forms a like a inverted hammer, but it is not a correct hammer. But even though, but compare these two candles, it is inside out of candlesticks pattern that was forming at this point, and where it is broken, now it is give me such a great result. But we did intraday. If I did the positional also, that was giving you such a great profit that I have already updated on my Telegram channel. That PFC we booked somewhere around almost 35,000 in 2 trading session. So not using any indicators or so any other technical indicator we are used here, only the candlesticks pattern that will giving you such a great opportunity. And also I just checked about this stock on a weekly basis. There is a doji hammer, and it broken that, it was moving well. On weekly chart also we have cross checked with that if you are going to take a positional, and this is happening by 127 and now it is 140 nearby. So such a great profit on weekly chart as well as daily chart. So we booked in a 2 days almost 35, right? And another stock which we have taken the same kind of pattern, one is HAL, I think. Sorry, HAL, which is forms a doji at the bottom. So yesterday we have updated on our Telegram channel about this candle. Once it is broken that 1388 and it moves well. And Chola Finance, we are waiting for that, and today it forms a inside out top. So we will find out the opportunity by tomorrow. This Chola Finance looks like an inside out top, but when you check that, this is not by lowest level, but this was happening at the inside out because the monthly low is somewhere around here, around 551. Now it is 584. This low is not a monthly low. If you scan with our scanner, it will not scan this stock because it is not a monthly low. And a few more stock which you have discussed about yesterday. This is a good one, but it is not giving an entry. I am focusing these two stocks, Ultratech Cement and AS Cars, because this is in neck on neck pattern. So that will, once it is given a breakout, so or a breakdown, so there is a good opportunity where we can focus in these two stocks. This is what my next stock where I'm going to focus this as my radar. Okay, some other stocks which you have seen, Hindustan Unilever, no opportunity now, and this one today it is okay. And PVR, that is doji, that is still moving higher, and today also it makes a new high. And PFC, that's nothing but it gives you such a profit. And some other stocks, MFSL, not a doji, REC, it looks inside out. You see that there is an inside out pattern. So whenever it breaks that high, it does already have an entry price. Okay, so entry price that will give you such a great opportunity. So we will wait for that. And weekly basis also it is looking good. So we should wait for the trade opportunity. That is, a trade is triggered, but we should wait for target on. So some other stocks which we are focusing, so that I'm going to update in my Telegram channel. And if you are checking that somewhere today, any stocks which forms our dashboard, we will easily find out. And continuation pattern, so there is no stocks, only rising 3 method, IGL, National Aluminum, HL Tech looks good. IGL, okay, that has moves very well, and we have the position and we closed today in IGL, but after closing it moves big, right? We booked around 40 and the option is went up to around 56 something. And HL Tech, National Aluminum, leave it for the National Aluminum because it is in a ban period. So we don't go for a National Aluminum. IGL and HL we will focus for that continuation pattern. And then don't worry, I will send you that on my Telegram. Double candlesticks reversal, we find only TVS motor, that is forms a user bottom matching low. Let's find out TVS motor. It forms a matching low here, two matching low where doji candle and two matching low. So there is an opportunity where whenever it breaks above the level we can focus. This is, I think, intraday level. I marked it out. Let's leave it. So this one may be good to see what will happen if it is breaks up. So we will go for a buy opportunity on that. And it should be not a monthly low because the monthly low is here somewhere around. So it will not be scanned by our scanners, right? And double candlesticks, only one stocks we find out. And again we'll go for a single candlesticks reversal today. Let's say single candlesticks reversal, spinning top, lot of spinning top here. And again JSW Steel, PVR making a spinning star, and doji at bottom, Bajaj Auto. Let's go for a Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, yes, forms a doji at bottom. Previously forms a doji 6th September, shooting doji at top, and now it is doji at bottom. We'll focus whenever this high is broken 3720. We will go for a long doji at bottom. Okay, so that is a good candle which is forms at the bottom level. So we will wait for and we will focus these stocks too for our next trade opportunity. Right, so today's trade works well, and IGL we booked, and another trade MFSL also, it's a small trade which we are taken positionally, but it is not after that it is not moving well, so that's why we booked a very small profit. But all are working well. Now I hope you got that candlesticks power. Now it is giving you such a great opportunities. I have almost shared all my scanner, and if you want to take my scanners, you can join my Telegram channel, the link which is provided in the YouTube description of this video, and you can join free of, and I will daily update what are the candlesticks pattern which forms based on the candlesticks what we have created. If you have any questions or a doubt, you just comment, and we have more subscribers, and giving me such a great um, thing to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends if you have liked it. And if you are not yet subscribed, just subscribe to find out this kind of candlesticks pattern, so that giving you such a great amount of money where you are going to make from your own trading. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much for joining with me, and thanks for very much.